My name is Karupasamy. I'm going to be explaining my database ninth experiment. The experiment is about index and sequences. Indexes are useful for a database it's like a table that points towards the data in the database. And sequences are used to create unique identities for each data in the database. So here are some questions that are given. We're going to create some index and some sequences. We're going to drop some indexes, and it's very simple. The general syntax for creating an index is create index, the index name on the table, and then the parameters that we have to include, like the parameters in the customer table. So let's take the first question. Customer index on customer ID. We'll create index on customer ID and customer name of the customer table. So we're going to create an index on customer ID and customer name from the customer table. So the index's name is customer one, and we are creating it by including customer ID and customer name from the customer table. And the index is created. Next one is create function-based index on lowercase of customer name on customer table. The query is create index. The name of the index is lcust name on customer, and we're using lower customer name. So it's the lowercase of customer. We're just gonna keep the record of all lowercase of the customer name. The third one is create an index organized table with a transaction ID, customer name, and supply ID. So we're gonna create table named index tab, and we're gonna use transaction ID, which is of number data type, and the limit is 3. Customer name, which is of varchar2 data type, and the limit is 200. Supply ID, which is of number data type, and the limit is 3. And the primary key is supply ID. And we are declaring it as organization index as given in the question, and the table will be created. The fourth one is drop-in bitmap index and function-based index. So what we're doing here is we're just going to drop an index that we created in the previous question. The previous this question. So what we're going to do is we're going to use drop index and then the index name. The name of the index is lcust name, and we give that as keyword, and then the index is dropped. The last one is create a sequence for the order ID of the order table. So we're going to generate random and unique data for the order ID of the order table. So for creating a sequence, the syntax is create sequence, the sequence is name, and how increment by, so we can give 1 or 2, and it increments itself by the value that we give here. And we're going to start it with 100. So it starts from 100 and it goes on like 101, 102, and it goes on like that. And the maximum value that we set is 999. So, and they are giving no cache and no cycle. So we are just creating a sequence for order ID. So we are incrementing it by 1 and start with 100. The max value is 99, 999. So the sequence is created. That's all. Thank you for watching.